Yeah. Where are we going?
Where are we going?
That's what I said.
We're going to the Sawmill.
Sawmill.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Way out in the country. You might say it's out in the sticks. Please don't pull out in front of me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, I said it's out in the country. There's an awful lot of traffic out in the country today.
There we go.
Just don't show the speedometer. I don't want to incriminate myself. It's none of their business.
I can't hold a steady camera in this damn thing.
Suspension's good. I took it off last week. The new one's coming next week. Big bump.
Like being on a boat.
I really don't know where this place is. Look at all the rolling cattle land. Oh goodness. Hey, look at that.
It's an empty field.
Aren't you having fun?
Out in the middle of no damn where, you don't know where you're going?
Adventure. Later on, I might get to sing the campfire song if I get lost.
Campfire song?
CAMPFIRESONG song. Hey, look, an actual farm.
Another empty field. Oh, there's some cows.
There's
Over
8.
there.
Oh, okay, there's 3 more over there. Ooh, he's really rolling in that cattle money. Couple of roads. A horse farm. I've been told by other YouTubers to just video what you do in your daily life, and maybe people will be interested in it. I wouldn't sit and watch an 18-minute video of me driving.
It's only 3 minutes so far.
Oh, dandy. Oh, goodness.
And it's not like we live an exciting life.
No.
I won't do it.
No, because I don't use my channel to promote or non-promote
Bash.
politics.
I'm not going to promote it. I did good. I turned away.
I know. It's none of my business who anybody votes for. It's none of their business who I vote for. And I like it that way. Now, if any senators or congressmen or president-elects, you know, if they want to throw a couple of big fat checks my way, yeah, I'll support whoever. I'll support Mickey freaking Mouse. I don't care. But until that payroll starts coming in,
You ain't influential enough. More crows.
kind of like that bit from Who's Line. What you drinking there? Well, could be 7-Up, could be Coke, could be Pepsi. Just whoever wants to pay me. Could be coffee. I don't know.
Well, it's a good thing that particular brand is international now, or we just gave ourselves away.
Everybody knows we're close to Charlotte. I believe this is part of the Crowder's Mountain Range.
Couch.
Free couch. I found a butt door on it though.
I accidentally closed it.
What?
A screen door on a bus doesn't sound too...
It's like a screen door on a battleship.
I thought it was submarine.
Don't worry about that.
Nah.
It should make like a tree. Get out of here.
I thought it was making like a tree and leaf.
Don't worry about it.
I have to.
Good. I can sort of give it away. This used to be one of the roads I had to drive daily when I worked for an unnamed organization that was owned by the state of North Carolina. And oh crap, I can't remember where it's at. Where's the sign?
There's your sign.
There we
There's
go.
one.
Don't show the name of the place. I don't want to get sued or.
Hang
Ain't
on.
nobody gonna find this place.
Do it again.
Ain't nobody gonna find this place. This is way back in the woods. I didn't want to show the actual sawmill because I didn't know if the older guy would like it or not. But I'll show you the half of the driveway if you want me to. So, yeah.
This is the smooth part.
You're right. You can show them what's in the bed. So I've already got one load of sawdust. We came back for another load, and then we found any of those slabs and live edge wood that we want. We can have all of it. And he's got piles and piles and piles. Mind you, we're still not to the road. Piles of it. So I definitely don't want to show the sign when we get to it because I don't want anybody to know my honey hole.
Honey hole?
Yeah, honey hole. We're almost to the road. Don't get me wrong, we didn't show us going to the wrong place. Like, there's a couple branches off of this road that we wound up in some guy's yard.
Yup.
Okay.
Up. There we go.
There's the road. Don't show road names.
It's not like you can read it anyway.
You want to see what I got? You ready? You sure? You ready? Ridiculous amount of sawdust.
That is a big pile of sawdust.
And it's super, like, you can't get a good grasp of it. That's how deep it is. Hang on. This will be fun. Oh, that was anticlimactic. Now I gotta unload it.
Good luck with that. I gotta pee.
What's up, guys? Chris from Eagle Ridge Homestead. So, we went over and we wound up getting 2 truckloads of that sawdust. Because I'm going to use that for pathways and things like that around the homestead. And if we do wind up doing chickens or something, we'll use that for bedding and scratch. The guy is the nicest guy at that sawmill. He said, man, take as much of that as you want. The pile of sawdust is like 30 feet high. And any of the slabs that I want that have live edge and things like that, take as much of that as you want. So that turned out really great. Sorry, I'm just inspecting the flood damage that was over here that I didn't get to see because I didn't want to come this way and get stuck a couple weeks ago. Anyway, so now we're on my way to see my buddy Daniel. Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. He said he's got some pallets for me, so we're heading over to Garibaldi town and see what he's got to say and see what's going on. Spend some time, chew the fat, load that up. Don't tell my wife to stop and get me a cheeseburger somewhere and eat that before I get home. And really has been a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Okay guys, so I was at Daniel's for quite a while yesterday, and it got dark before I left, so I really couldn't video anything else. But I also stopped by a construction site that was on the way home. Got this nice pile of 2x4s that I'm gonna have to go through and de-nail and everything. And these big old, I believe they're 2x12s. I haven't measured them, but they are treated. Of course, you got some of the sawmill slabs over there, and 2 truckloads of sawdust under here. And I know the yard still kind of looks bad because I'm still staging some things. But all right, so yeah, that's what we managed to get, and all this will turn into a workshop. What's up guys, Chris from Eagle Ridge. I couldn't remember if I'd mentioned it before or not, that about what we were doing with the shop situation. So I thought, I'm gonna make a video about building the thing anyway, I'll just talk about it again. So we were gonna do another big shop, you know, like the one we had was 12 by 12 with 8-foot walls and then an extra 2 feet on the front, so it had like a slant roof on it. We're not gonna go back that big, because you know, I'd love to have like a 20 by 40 barn. It'd be perfect, it'd be great. And then we started talking how we're gonna get all the lumber, how we're gonna get all the nails. And while we were talking, I kept looking at the dog kennel. Our dog kennel is 6 feet by 8 feet and has a 45-degree roof on it. And the inside height of that roof is 6'2". And I went, So, all in all, short story, we're going to build several small shops instead of one big one. And the fire kind of has a spook, so we're going to get my workshop and Lauren's workshop and the cat kennel, the outdoor kennel for them, all separate instead of building it all together again. So, that being said, it's been an alright day. It's going to be a great day. I'm going to get started.